saying just now?
She was saying.
すずちゃん聞いて、先輩に話しかけてもらったの。
For easy to understand, we will separate every point. So we have the first part. Suzu-chan聞いて. It's basically like saying, bro, listen it, I have a good news. And this part is mentioning her.
Mendokusai! Can I just read the explanation? You are too slow. Just give me the detail on the screen. I will read it by myself.
Oh yes, sorry. So this is the explanation. You can pause this video if you want to know the detail. So point number 3 is the only way to express that someone spoke to you, although from a Japanese perspective, it's not exactly talked to me, but rather that you received a conversation from someone. In this view, the act of speaking is treated like an object being passed from one person to another.
Hey, let me know more!
Of course, there's similar sentence you could know. Let's watch it.
先輩に話しかけられた。
What was she said this time?
This might be similar to something happening unintentionally, unconsciously, or just spontaneously, just like in the scene that her senpai suddenly talked to her. This reflects how Japanese passive constructions often shift the emotional focus. Instead of emphasizing the speaker's intent, they highlight the experience of the person affected, sometimes with a sense of surprise, detachment, or even helplessness.
Can I subscribe you for the next lesson video?
Of course you don't need it, because learning Japanese is such boring things.